We had a report of a semi versus car accident just south of Dazey on Highway 1 north of Valley City at 8:15 p.m. on Wednesday evening. We'll take you down to the scene here.
Attention Barnes County Ambulance. Barnes County Ambulance, if you could respond to a two-vehicle possible injury accident. Highway 1 North and County Road 4. It's going to be a truck versus car. A third-party call stated there are injuries unknown. Highway 1 and County 4.
Again, a report of a semi versus car accident here south of Dazey, North Dakota at 8:15 Thursday evening. As of 5 a.m. on this Thursday, no crash report yet and no further details on whether or not there were any serious injuries. We'll have that for you if and when we get them. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.